Well, hello there, my stampin' friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. Happy New Year! We have our first sketch for 2024. Today we're using Earthen Elegance. I'm pairing it with Misty Moonlight and some Night of Navy ribbon to create our project. The DSP is going to be cut down into the 3 panels above, and we're using the Misty Moonlight panel. The stamp set detailed dogwood is from our Sale-a-bration promotion, which is January through February 2024. You can earn this set for free. So I stamped the main image on my die cut square, then I stamped the dragonfly and trimmed it out with my paper snips. So here are parts and pieces for this project, and you can get all the details on the mini tutorial. Okay, we start by folding our card base in half, then we're going to add our DSP with liquid adhesive. There's a tight edge around the top and the 2 sides. Then our ribbon's going to be cut into thirds. They don't have to be even pieces, but 3 pieces. Add a little liquid adhesive to the front of your panel, put down your 3 ribbons, and then secure it with another piece of the edge from your dimensionals. Then I'm going to add the focal image with dimensionals over the top of that ribbon, and then pop on the dragonfly for embellishment. So I hope you liked the first sketch of 2024. I try to give you something unique each time, so leave me a comment, let me know if you've enjoyed it. And then please subscribe here to YouTube, that helps me out. Shop with me online, just select me as your demo when you place an order, that helps me as well. You will receive a thank you kit from me in the mail as a thank you for your order and participating in my classes. You can visit me at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com to find a current host code, contact me with questions, sign up for a newsletter, or get these DSP tutorials. Okay, anything else? All my links are below, and I'm happy to give you a help. So, until next time, Happy New Year!